Welcome to another exciting episode of Auto's Vehicles Review. Today, we're putting two legendary vans side by side, the Mercedes Sprinter and the Toyota Camper van. Whether you're an adventurer, a camper, or a business owner looking for the perfect work van, this comparison will help you decide which one suits your needs best. The Mercedes Sprinter has built a reputation for being a tough and reliable workhorse, known for its durability, advanced engineering, and versatile configurations. It's a favorite among van lifers, delivery drivers, and fleet operators. On the other hand, the Toyota Camper van is an icon in the camper community. With Toyota's legendary reliability, impressive fuel efficiency, and compact yet functional design, it's a go-to option for those who want an affordable and efficient camper setup. Starting with performance and power, the Mercedes Sprinter offers multiple engine options depending on the model and trim level. The standard 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine produces around 188 horsepower and 258 pounds-feet of torque. For those needing more power, the available 3.0-liter V6 turbodiesel engine delivers 188 horsepower and 325 pounds-feet of torque. These powertrains allow the Sprinter to handle heavy loads, tow trailers with ease, and navigate rough terrains without breaking a sweat. The high ground clearance and optional all-wheel drive system make it a great choice for off-road adventures. The Toyota Camper van, on the other hand, isn't built for heavy towing or extreme terrains, but it shines in fuel efficiency and reliability. Most models come equipped with a 2.4 liters or 2.7 liters four-cylinder engine, producing around 110 to 150 horsepower, depending on the generation. While it lacks the power of the Sprinter, it makes up for it with excellent fuel economy, averaging between 20 to 25 miles per gallon. Toyota's well-known engine longevity means you can expect these vans to run for hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal maintenance. When comparing fuel efficiency, the Mercedes Sprinter's diesel models can achieve around 20-24 miles per gallon, depending on the load and driving conditions. The gasoline variants typically range between 15-19 miles per gallon. In contrast, the Toyota Camper van outperforms in fuel economy, with most models averaging between 20-27 miles per gallon, making it a cost-effective choice for long road trips. Pricing plays a crucial role in deciding which van is best. The Mercedes Sprinter is available in multiple configurations, and the base model starts at around $50,000. The higher-end trims, especially those equipped with the V6 diesel engine and AWD, can easily exceed $70,000. Custom camper conversions and additional features like off-road packages can push the total price even higher. The Toyota Camper van, being an older and smaller vehicle, is significantly more affordable. Used models can be found for as low as $5,000, while well-maintained and modified camper-ready versions range between $15,000 and $30,000. Even with the full camper conversion, it remains a budget-friendly alternative to the Sprinter. Maintenance and reliability are also major factors to consider. The Toyota Camper van is known for its bulletproof reliability, with many models surpassing 300,000 miles with routine maintenance. Parts are widely available and affordable, making repairs relatively inexpensive. The Mercedes Sprinter, while durable, requires more expensive maintenance. Diesel engine repairs, advanced electronics, and premium parts contribute to higher ownership costs. Regular servicing is essential to keep the Sprinter running efficiently, and ignoring maintenance can lead to costly repairs. Comfort and interior space also differ between these two vans. The Mercedes Sprinter offers a modern and spacious interior with advanced technology, comfortable seating, and customizable layouts. Depending on the configuration, you can choose from cargo, passenger, or crew versions, making it a highly versatile vehicle. The dashboard features a touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as advanced driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. The Toyota Camper van, being an older design, has a simpler and more compact interior. While it lacks the luxury features of the Sprinter, it provides just enough space for a cozy camper setup. Many owners customize their vans with foldable beds, small kitchenettes, and solar panels to create a comfortable living space. The driving experience is straightforward, with a basic dashboard, manual climate controls, and minimal electronic assistance, making it easier to maintain over time. When it comes to cargo capacity, the Mercedes Sprinter is the clear winner. With multiple wheelbase and roof height options, it offers significantly more storage and customization potential. The high roof versions allow for standing room inside, making camper conversions much more comfortable. The Toyota camper van, while smaller, is still practical for minimalist van life setups, but storage and headroom are more limited. Driving dynamics and handling vary between the two vans. The Mercedes Sprinter, with its powerful engines and well-engineered suspension, provides a smooth and controlled ride even when carrying heavy loads. The optional AWD system adds confidence on slippery or rough terrains. The Toyota camper van, being lighter and smaller, is easier to maneuver, especially in urban environments and tight parking spaces. However, its softer suspension and lower power output mean it isn't as stable or capable on highways and rough roads compared to the Sprinter. Safety features are another key difference. The latest Mercedes Sprinter models come equipped with advanced safety technologies, including automatic emergency braking, crosswind assist, and parking sensors. The Toyota camper van, being an older design, lacks most of these modern safety features, though some models do have basic airbags and anti-lock brakes. If safety is a priority, the Sprinter has a clear advantage. Both vans cater to different types of buyers. The Mercedes Sprinter is ideal for those who need a powerful, spacious, and feature-rich van for commercial use, off-road adventures, or luxury camper conversions. It offers unmatched versatility but comes at a higher cost in terms of both purchase price and maintenance. The Toyota camper van is best suited for those who prioritize affordability, fuel efficiency, and long-term reliability. It may not be as powerful or spacious as the Sprinter, but its ease of maintenance and lower operating costs make it a great option for budget-conscious travelers. Choosing between these two ultimately depends on your needs and budget. If you require towing capacity, cargo space, and cutting-edge technology, the Mercedes Sprinter is worth the investment. However, if you're looking for a simple, efficient, and cost-effective camper van, the Toyota camper van is an excellent choice. That wraps up our comparison of the Mercedes Sprinter versus Toyota camper van. Which one would you choose for your next adventure? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth vehicle comparisons. See you in the next video.